Hello my people, I'm back at Mombasa, and here I am in Kilifi County, Mtwapa, and this one is a chicken coop. We will convert to a hydroponic fodder structure. So as you can see, this is a brooder for chicks, but I use that corner over there as our hydroponic fodder structure. So I just want to put some seeding over here, but just follow me in everything. I will show you everything on how to go about it. We are going to do some work over here, so I have some materials over here, some plywood for that matter. So I'm sure by the end of today or tomorrow there will be a very nice structure over here. So niko na chuma hapa. I have some metal over here to do the structure, to hold the trays, not forgetting that my trays are over there already. They are over there, so follow me in this process. I also have the body to do the work over here, the training work. So follow me in everything. Thank you.